Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna be cooking another Filipino dish called pork menudo. These are the ingredients which I've also listed on the description. Okay, to start, I usually fry my ingredients, the hot dogs, carrots, bell peppers, as well as the potatoes. I like doing this because it just gives additional flavor to the dish. Alright, the next process, I start sauteing the onions, tomatoes, and garlic, and I'll put in my pork. Okay, this time I'm putting some pepper while the pork is simmering. Now I'm putting in the tomato sauce and just mix them all together.
To watch more videos, please subscribe.
Alright, let's squeeze in our lemon right now. And the next one, let's put some banana sauce, sweet banana sauce. Let's go ahead and drop some bay leaves. Okay, next step, we are now ready to mix all the ingredients together along with the pork and the sauce. Putting on the hot dogs, the carrots, bell peppers, and as well as the potatoes. Okay, this time I'm adding some raisins. It's optional, it's up to you if you want to do that, but personally I like having this part of the dish. Alright guys, here it is, the final product, our pork menudo. It is just beautiful, colorful, and definitely tastes good. I'm sure you will give it a try. If you do, please feel free to comment. This is actually one of my comfort foods. It's very easy to make, and I'm sure you will enjoy cooking this dish. And if so, happy great cooking!
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.